Or I'll read it in a sexy voice. You know, whatever you want. The customer is always right. Tesla Modern Day Cowboy. H-shape-on.
I got the fever for the fever of a someone who used to call Navy football game.
But anyhow, I'll find out what.
That's 866-8485. Ray, since the start of this year, or do you expect to inherit one in the future? Hi, this is Mike Armstrong from New York.
Coming
Kia Studios. This is WWLI Providence, a Cumulus station, home of the ultimate summer road trip on Light Rock 105.
Every weekday, you have a chance to qualify for this beautiful Lincoln MKZ, and the only thing you have to do is listen 3 times a day at 9, 1, and 5 for an item that we're telling you that we're bringing along with us on our summer travels. And today, I'm here to tell you that I'm bringing water balloons. Write it down. Water balloons. All the winning details, lightrock105fm.com. Again, it's water balloons. The ultimate summer road trip sponsored by Flood Lincoln, Southern Rhode Island's largest luxury dealer, and Light Rock 105. But EPI...
Fat bottom girls, you make the rockin' world go round.
And overnight, holding temperatures near 60 degrees. We make it to the low 80s again on Thursday, and the humidity will start to increase, a trend that will be much more evident on Friday as the air becomes muggy. I'm Storm Team 10 meteorologist Anthony McCarty on News Radio 920 and 104.7 FM.
Can they agree to find common ground? Lisa Brady, Fox News. Another police reform bill unveiled, this time in the U.S. Senate, where Republicans are urging Democrats to use it as a starting point for negotiations.
South Carolina Republican Tim Scott is leading the Justice Act, a police reform bill that incentivizes chokehold bans and sets up de-escalation training and a duty to intervene policies.
We make it about families who've lost loved ones, about restoring trust, about respecting officers.
Senate Democratic leader Chuck Schumer says the proposal fails to meet the moment by not including any new limits on qualified immunity that shield police officers from lawsuits.
Missing real, meaningful accountability for individual officers' misconduct.
It will take a bipartisan 60-vote threshold to begin debate. So far, Democrats have not indicated whether they will block the measure next week.
Fox's Jared Halper and on Capitol Hill. A House vote also expected next week on the plan Democrats unveiled last week. New York Governor Andrew Cuomo is signing an order to make Juneteenth a paid holiday for state workers. A growing number of states and cities moving to formally recognize June 19th, which marks the end of slavery in the U.S. as part of the reform movement around the country. Governor Cuomo also announcing he'll stop the daily coronavirus briefings he's been doing for months after this Friday. The White House insists that a court fight over John Bolton's new book isn't over unflattering information, as the publisher claims, but about classified information. Senior counselor Kellyanne Conway.
For me, it's not about quote protecting the president, as the critics and naysayers do from their the gargoyles on Twitter all the time. It's really about protecting the nation.
The former National Security Advisor insists he followed protocol and worked with the National Security Council, but the Justice Department filed a lawsuit. America is listening to Fox News.
This report is sponsored by Unbound.com.